Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix or how to disable your Samsung phone lock screen wallpaper is automatically changing by itself. So if you are also facing same type of problem on your any Samsung Galaxy device, so this video is for you. Watch this video till end very carefully. So for this guys, just simply tap and hold on your home screen, and here you can get the option wallpaper. Just tap on it. Okay, so first you need to open the wallpaper services. Just open it. From here you need to select none option. Okay, and then go back and here tap on my wallpaper. Here you can get the lock screen and home screen wallpaper. If you have set the multi-pack wallpaper theme on your phone, so at that time it will automatically change that lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so you need to set the only one individual wallpaper. So as you can see guys, there is some individual wallpaper is showing up here. So just select from the down screen like this, and here you can get the option set as wallpaper lock and home screen. Just select this option. Now the wallpaper will set to your lock and home screen. Okay, so now it will not change your lock screen wallpaper automatically. Okay, this is the way to fix this irritating problem. So that's it for today guys, this short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.